If you have trouble with hair loss or you have thin, stringy hair and you just want to strengthen it, then I would check this out. These are hair vitamins by Harmony, and I was gifted this by the brand. And I just want to show you what this looks like if you're thinking about this. So this is vitamins, 25,000 mcg of vitamins B1, B2, B3, B6, and B7. It has biotin, collagen, keratin, hyaluronic acid, and 7-in-1 B complex. This does come with 60 capsules, and it's 2 per serving, so roughly like a month. And it supports healthy hair, strong nails, and radiant skin. So this is what it looks like. I already opened this up. It didn't come, you know, like this. I also took this off. So let's see. This is what the bottle looks like. I took this thing off too. And it says to take 2 of these 15 to 30 minutes before a meal with water. Here's the ingredients so you can get a better look of that. It's got all kinds of vitamins in it. Wonderful, beautiful vitamins for your hair. It supports hair, skin, and nails. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. Okay. So here's the vitamins. They look kind of like, oh, they look yellow here kind of, but in the real light, they look more tannish. But let's look at these up close. So here's the vitamin. It's like your regular vitamin size. I wouldn't say it's really large. But you get 60 of these in a bottle. And if you have trouble like washing your hair, and if you have a lot of hair that comes out after your wash, or if your hair just isn't very strong, or if you have like a thin scalp line, then this is definitely going to help to strengthen that hair. It's going to help strengthen your scalp, retain the hair, so you won't have so much trouble with losing it after you wash it. But it's got collagen and keratin in it. A lot of really good hair vitamins. So if you are looking for some hair vitamins, I would check these out, because I've tried several brands of Nutravitamin or several vitamins brands of NutraHarmony, and I really do like this brand. They have high reviews on Amazon too, which is another reason why I enjoy them and I trust them. But yeah, if you're looking to strengthen your hair, and it even works on your nails and your skin, I would definitely check these out. They have high reviews, and I highly recommend them as well. I trust this brand. Hi! The link is in the description below. Hit the like button if you liked this video, and subscribe if you want to hear more things that I dropped for reviews. Everything that I review is something that I personally use and love, so follow along on my journey, and I would love to have you. So we will see you next time. Bye.